Hey guys, it's Miss Sam here. So for today's assignment for May 14th, you are going to go ahead and to your classwork, and then each of you has this assignment. So it says, hello, please read the article and then complete the multiple choice and writing questions on Cami using the text box tool. If you need help, please reach out Miss Sam. All right, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the Monarch Butterflies, Beautiful but Poisonous. You can go ahead and open that with Cami. My Cami's just slow. All right, so it says Monarch Butterflies, beautiful but poisonous. So I have some of you guys that are saying that your text to speech hasn't been working. So I am more than happy to read the article out loud so you guys have it. So it says, if you've ever seen a monarch butterfly, then you've probably noticed their bright orange and black colors. It makes them easy to see in the sky. You may think this would put the monarch in harm from predators, but these bright colors are actually what protect the butterfly. Monarchs eat a plant called milkweed, which is why they are sometimes called milkweed butterflies. So, WCAS students, what is right in front of our building? Those little plants that are by our shrubbery, those are milkweed plants. Okay. So, milkweed contains toxins that are not poisonous to monarchs, but are poisonous to other living things. These toxins, that are a regular part of the monarch butterfly's diet, make them poisonous to predators. A bird flying through the sky will leave the flashy colored monarchs alone because it knows those bright colors mean the monarch is poisonous. Monarch butterflies actually begin eating milkweed as larvae. As you probably know, butterflies begin as caterpillars. Monarch butterflies lay eggs on milkweed plants, and when an egg hatches, the young caterpillar or larva begins to eat the milkweed. The caterpillar will eat the plant for about 2 weeks and grow to approximately 2 inches long. So about the size of my thumb. Okay. Well, not necessarily as wide, but definitely as long. Okay. The caterpillar will then spin a silk pad and attach itself upside down to a twig or a leaf. Next, it sheds its yellow, black, and white striped skin. This is the first step to the caterpillar's transformation to a butterfly. Underneath the old skin of the caterpillar is a hard layer of skin called a chrysalis. The caterpillar will keep this chrysalis, or pupa, around its body and stay inside of it for 2 weeks while it changes into a monarch butterfly. The chrysalis, which you guys probably know as its cocoon, will become transparent when the butterfly is ready to emerge or come out. The butterfly uses the blood in its body to inflate its wings. Then it will hang in that same spot for hours until its wings dry and it can fly. Monarch butterflies can live for very different lengths of time depending on what time of year they emerge from their chrysalis and become adult butterflies. If a monarch reaches adulthood in early summer, it will most likely live for only 2 to 5 weeks. But if the monarch becomes an adult at the end of summer months, it will migrate south and live for about 8 to 9 months. Monarchs can be found all over the world in tropic and subtropic areas. And if you'd like to observe them in your own yard, plant milkweed and wait for the monarchs to come and feast. I think it's cool that we have it at the front of our school so we can kind of see that happening. So you'll keep on scrolling down and you will see the assignment. You can go ahead and use the text box, or you may use the shapes or the drawing tool to circle your answer. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase that. Okay. So and then the next one says about how long is the monarch in the larva stage. So you can go ahead and click. Okay. If you forgot, go back and reread or rewind me and then you can hear it again. Which would be the best way to attract monarch butterflies to your yard? A, place a dish of fruit in the lawn. B, plant milkweed in the yard. C, cut down large trees. D, place a small pool with water in the yard. Number 4, explain how a monarch butterfly's bright colors help to protect it from predators. So how does it keep itself from being eaten? Reread these sentences from the article. Next, it sheds its yellow, black, and white striped skin. This is the first step in the caterpillar's transformation to a butterfly. Which is the best definition of the underlined word? So, what is the best one for transformation? A, grow older. B, sleep. C, remove. D, change. Go ahead and draw or use the shape tool and tell me which answer. Okay. Monarch Butterflies, beautiful but poisonous. In the article, Monarch Butterflies, beautiful but poisonous, you learn that a monarch butterfly's bright colors warn predators that it is poisonous to eat. Think of another animal species that has a special way of protecting itself from predators. Okay, so think about that. Write a paragraph to explain what the animal is and how it keeps from being hunted by predators. So a paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences, guys. So the beginning of your sentence should have a capital letter. The ending should have some sort of punctuation, so meaning period, exclamation mark, etc. So I should see 3 to 5 sentences. This is not extra credit. This is something you need to do. We're not able to discuss it out loud right now. So I am needing to see you do this, okay? If you need help, please, please, please reach out, email me, call me, or text me. I am happy to help out any way that I can. And then when you are all done, you will go ahead back into your classwork and just hit that you submitted and that you are done. All right. Thanks, guys.